Today we'll learn simple Igbo words for daily activities. Example: mepe or meghe, open. Mechie, close. Gbape or gbaghe, unlock. Gbachie, lock. Gbanye, switch on or put on. Gbanyụọ, switch off. So these are the Igbo words we use every day in the house or anywhere you might find yourself. So they are mainly words and opposite, like mepe is opposite of mechie, gbape or gbaghe opposite of gbachie, and then gbanye opposite of gbanyụọ. Now let's make sentences with them. Number 1, meghe or mepe, open. Meghe ụzọ, open the door. Mepee ntapu aja ahụ, open that window. Ntapu aja is window. Number 2, mechie, close. Mechie ụzọ, close the door. Mechie ntapu aja abụọ ahụ, close the 2 windows. Ntapu aja window abụọ, 2. Okay, so we take it step by step. That's how we learn. Do follow for a continuation of this.